how to allow message requests from everyone on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to allow message requests from everyone on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go down and click this one, settings and privacy, and now you need to find this one, privacy and safety. Click on it and then click this one, direct messages. And now all you need to do is just click here to turn it on, and as you see, allow message request from everyone has been turned on. And that's how turn on allow message request from everyone. And that's it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.